Hi, welcome to today's Inktober. The word of the day is bottle, and I got this picture from Twitter, from one of my Twitter followers, and as soon as I got it, a couple of weeks ago actually, I knew that it was absolutely going to be bottle because this dog is holding a bottle of dog shampoo, which I just thought was adorable. I started off the painting and I actually wasn't planning on doing a pet portrait of this particular dog. I was just going to use the features and just kind of make it a generic dog, but hopefully I've also managed to capture the likeness as well. I really enjoyed doing this one. I think it's absolutely adorable. It's one of my favorite pictures. I just think the dog in this is just so adorable. I hope you've enjoyed watching as well. You've probably noticed that I'm a little bit behind in my Inktober's, and I'm trying really hard to get them done and to maybe stay up to date a little bit, but it's not always working out, moving the boat and having to paint every day as well, but I'm doing my best. So thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me, and yeah, thanks.